Hello, my name is Natasha, and this is my partner, Boris.
Hello.
Today we're going to show a video on how to find the horizontal asymptote of a rational function in the form f of x equals p of x over q of x, where p of x and q of x are both linear functions. Let's take a look at an example to help us.
There it is.
It's right there in green.
Oh, we're going to look at the graph now.
I suggest
The graph
you
is
do.
right here. So we've already graphed it using our favorite Desmos program, and we can see that the horizontal asymptote must be somewhere around here. This is a bit of a guess, but we can see that it's somewhere between 0 and -2, closer to -2 than to 0, but it's actually hard to tell where it is.
But I have an idea. Maybe we could sub some numbers in and figure out what it is approximately.
What a great idea.
So I thought maybe we could test some x values that are getting higher and higher so we could see what value this is approaching. Does that sound like a good idea?
That's a plan. That's a wonderful
Well,
plan.
I better do some math in my head. Maybe I'll sub 10 into that function and compute. Got it. -1.4666. That seems like it could be this line. Let me do another calculation of a bigger x value. 100. F of 100. Yes, I've got it. -1.4. 974. That must be it. One more calculation. How about f of 1,000? Well, that's an easy one. -1.4997. And I notice that the y values are approaching a limiting value, possibly -1.5. I think I'm just going to check on the opposite side. What will happen as x goes towards -infinity? I'll just pick one value this time. -1.5002. And this makes sense on the graph because as x gets larger, our numbers are greater than -1.5, but approaching it. And as x gets more negative, our numbers are, or our number is, less than -1.5, but approaching it.
That's fantastic, Natasha.
Oh, great!
Can I follow up on what you did?
I'd like you to.
I'm actually going to do something that's remarkably similar. It's so closely related.
Tell me about it.
I'm going to write up here, looking at our function, a very big number, like you did, except mine's even bigger.
Oh.
I'm going to try 1,000,000, and I'm just going to think about what happens to the numerator and the denominator of our expression. The numerator.
Tell me
It
what
looks
happens.
like it's going to be approximately -3 million.
That's huge.
I'm too lazy to work out what the 8 will do, because the 8 is so insignificant, inconsequential,
Minute.
not important. On the bottom, 2 times 1,000,000, take away 5, will be approximately,
2 million.
I don't care about that 5, it's so relatively minute, inconsequential, and so on.
Unimportant.
Yeah. Oh, look what happens.
What?
Y is approximately -3/2. Isn't that what you found?
It is. That's the same as -1.5.
That must tell us something. The horizontal asymptote!
Must be y equals -1.5. And that, my friend Boris, is how you figure out the horizontal asymptote
Of a rational
function.
function.